So let's see, what do we know about jellyfish? Do they live on the land or do they live in the sea? Who can tell me? That's right, jellyfish live in the sea and they're found in all the oceans around the world. Do you remember which ocean we were talking about on Friday? Which area we were talking about? We were talking about the Great Barrier Reef on the coast of Australia. That's the Pacific Ocean. And yes, there are a lot of jellyfish in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so do you think jellyfish live in fresh water or salt water? What is the sea? When you taste it, is it salty? Or does it taste like the water that you drink? That's right, the sea is salty, but actually, some jellyfish can live in fresh water. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, what does a jellyfish look like? Some people say it looks a little bit like an umbrella because of the shape of the top of it. And some people say it looks like a big blob of jelly. But it's jelly with no color. We can say transparent. It means we can see through it. It has no color. It's clear in the water. That's what makes it very dangerous. If you see here, it's not easy to see in the water. And sometimes sea creatures or even humans accidentally swim into it or walk into it and get very badly hurt. So we have to always be very careful in the ocean. However, some of them are actually very brightly colored. So though most of them are quite clear, some of them are other colors like blue or even orange in color. They're very beautiful to look at. Okay. What we also know about jellyfish is that they don't have a brain. A brain is what we use for our thinking, but actually, jellyfish don't have a brain. Wow, I wonder how they do their thinking. What do you think? They have no brain. Okay. How do they protect themselves? They use their long tentacles to sting. So if something comes near them, they can get stung by the jellyfish. A little bit like the sea anemone. Do you remember we learned about the sea anemone last time? That also can sting its predators. That's how it protects itself. So everything in the ocean, they're part of the food chain, which we'll learn about later. But they need to eat and they need to take care of themselves. And that's how the jellyfish takes care of themselves. Okay? Is there anything else you'd like to know about a jellyfish? If you have any questions, you can send me a video or you can send me a voice message and I'll try to answer your questions, okay? So that's our information about Mr. Jellyfish today.